Alright, how are you guys? My name is Burulai Saiipova. So today I will tell you about CSS syntax. So let's start. So now that we have seen all of the places where we can include CSS in order to change the CSS style of our websites, then now is a good time to review the CSS. A lot of when you are dealing with programmers or programming and they're all that it refers to the grammar of the CSS languages. Just when you are learning English, so you have to first learn grammatics, so rules, which says where you should put commas, where you stop it, which words need to be capitalized, extra. All programming language it also has their own particular CSS looks like now. The selective and comes at the beginning of the CSS rule, and then comes a pair of curly braces inside, which is where your CSS rules are going to reside, and the rule will change the appearance of some property and give it a new value, and each will has to end with semicolon out at the end. That's kind of equivalent of the full stops that we see in English sentence. Essentially, the selector is basically just the who. So who do you want to change, or who you want to modify on your web page. So is it H1 the paragraph time? Is it the next part of the property? And this is the what about that H1? Whose style do you want to change in the next part of this property? And this is the what. What about H1 do you want to change? Is the maybe it's the background color, maybe it's the text color, maybe it's the position. Then finally we get the value, and that is the how. So how do you want to change the background color of the H1? Do you want it to be blue or some other color, or do you want to be it's red? Or so we have a lot of colors. It depends on yourself. That is the value.